Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about healthy breakfast ideas, why you should try a protein shake. Drinking a protein shake for breakfast is a great option if you're short on time. It's quick, portable, and packed with nutrients. Plus, you can customize it to your taste, and it can boost your workout and help with weight loss. Here's why it might be a smart choice. 1. Quick and convenient. Protein shakes are easy to make and require little prep. You can even prepare ingredients in advance. They're portable too, perfect for busy mornings when you need a nutritious breakfast on the go. 2. Keeps you full. A high-protein breakfast can keep you feeling satisfied longer, curbing cravings throughout the day. Studies show that protein shakes can help reduce body fat, lower blood sugar, lower leptin levels, protein hormone controlling appetite and fat storage, higher adiponectin levels, protein hormone that regulates metabolism, and even improve cholesterol levels. 3. Packs in extra nutrients. Adding fruits and veggies to your shake can boost its nutritional value with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It's an easy way to sneak in extra nutrients. 4. Supports weight loss. Protein can help with weight loss by boosting your metabolism and reducing hunger, inflammation, and fat intake. Just be mindful of calorie-dense ingredients like nuts, seeds, and dark chocolate. Your shake should be part of a balanced diet to be effective for weight loss. 5. Enhances fitness. Protein shakes can aid muscle growth and recovery, making them beneficial for your workout routine. They can help you build strength, especially when combined with resistance training. 6. Watch for downsides. Some protein powders contain additives and artificial sweeteners. Some people may have difficulty digesting certain ingredients commonly found in protein shakes, including whey protein. Also, relying too much on shakes can limit your diet variety, leading to potential nutrient deficiencies. Balance your shake with other healthy meals throughout the day. Overall, a protein shake can be a convenient, nutritious, and versatile breakfast option, especially when balanced with other healthy foods. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.